In this video, we will compare Pictory AI free versus paid. When comparing Pictory AI free versus paid, it depends on your needs and the features you are looking for. Pictory AI free offers a limited version of tools which can be great if you want to test out the basic features. You can also create a short video, but you are restricted by watermarks and limited templates, and also fewer customization options. It is ideal for casual users or for those trying or starting out in video creation without any cost. On the other hand, the paid version of Pictory AI unlocks more advanced features like access to a wider range of templates, better customization options, and also includes no watermarks. The ability to export in a higher video quality is also quite useful. This version also provides additional editing features and an extended functionality, making it more suitable for professional or frequent video creators. In my opinion, if you are serious about video creation and need more flexibility, the paid version is more worth it. However, if you only need basic video creation and don't mind the limitations of the free version, Pictory AI for free might be just the stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.